Nobody shall be surprised that I'm here. I'm in my home. The second home is the NRM. I'm a founder member of the NRM. NRM was born by us. It is in me. It will remain in me until death puts us asunder. Somebody who has the Bible should read the 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 11. When I was a child, I thought like a child. I behaved like a child. I acted like a child. But now I'm grown. And I know that the magnanimous heart of our leader, our dear leader, President Museveni, would accept my change of behavior. Thank you very much for accepting me back in my home. I'm home to stay. I'm home to contribute to the development I have had and that I have seen. I went when I was bitter, but now I am better, and I'm loaded with solutions. I will not look in the past. I don't live in the past tense. I am looking forward to contributing to national development. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome, Monday. Take him and he sits down. Take him somewhere and he sits in the pavilion. Aisha, mumtwala ture. In 1979, operating as a volunteer scout for the Task Force Division of the TPDF under Major General Cyrus Mayunga in Mbarara. I was commanding the 9,000 strong Foreigners Fighting Force. Later Monday did a good job as a commander of the 15th Battalion in the siege of Masaka in 1985. And he also did a good job in his subsequent assignments. We welcome him back.